Alrighty, y'all. I thought I'm going to make some good garlic bread this morning, and I said, I wonder if you can make this in the air fryer. You know, I'm the air fry queen. Love to use my air fryer. Hold on a second. And so put a little butter on this. I got another stack under there. Put a little garlic salt on it. Put it on 400 and cooked for 3 minutes. This is very thin, very crispy, perfect. Now you just can't beat that, y'all. So try it at your own house. I can't wait to try mine. Look how golden that French bread is. We're gonna have it with some scrambled eggs here in a minute. And that's our breakfast. Simple and fast. Love to all. Bye-bye now.